Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete events in Google Calendar in 2026. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Find the event that you want to delete and click on it. A small event window will appear. Click the trash icon, which is the delete button. If it is a regular event, it will be deleted immediately. If it is a recurring event, Google Calendar will ask how you want to delete it. You can choose this event to delete only the selected event. Choose this and following events to delete the selected event and all future events in the series. Choose all events to delete the entire recurring series. Select the option you need and confirm the deletion. After that, the event will be removed from your Google Calendar. If you accidentally delete an event, you can check the trash section in Google Calendar settings, where deleted events may remain for a limited time before being permanently removed. That's how to delete events in Google Calendar in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.